Welcome to this tutorial on how to sort by values in Google Sheets. Sorting data is a fundamental skill that can help you organize and analyze your data more efficiently. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of sorting by values in Google Sheets. First, select the data range you want to sort. This can be a single column or multiple columns. To select a range, click on the top left cell and drag your cursor to the bottom right cell. You can also select an entire column by clicking on the column header. Next, go to the Data menu and click on Sort and Filter. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Click on Sort Range to begin the sorting process. In the Sort Range dialog box, you can choose to sort by a single column or multiple columns. To sort by a single column, select the column header from the drop-down menu. You can also choose to sort in ascending or descending order. If you want to sort by multiple columns, click on the Add Another Sort Column button. This will allow you to add additional columns to the sort criteria. You can also choose to sort in ascending or descending order for each column. Once you have selected your sort criteria, click on the Sort button to apply the changes. Your data will now be sorted according to the criteria you specified. It is also possible to sort data using formulas. The sort function in Google Sheets allows you to sort data in a variety of ways, including sorting by values, sorting by formulas, and sorting by custom criteria. Best practices for sorting data in Google Sheets include selecting the correct data range, choosing the correct sort criteria, and using the sort function to automate the sorting process. By following these best practices, you can ensure that your data is sorted accurately and efficiently. In conclusion, sorting by values in Google Sheets is a simple and straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can learn how to sort your data by values and improve your overall productivity. Remember to select the correct data range, choose the correct sort criteria, and use the sort function to automate the sorting process. With practice, you will become proficient in sorting data in Google Sheets and be able to analyze and organize your data more efficiently.